chemical properties of alkyl halides. The chemical reactions of alkyl halides are broadly classified into three categories. One is nucleophilic substitution reaction, another one is elimination reaction, and the third one is reaction with metals. First, we are going to discuss something with reaction with metals. So, chlorides, bromides, iodide, when react with metal under suitable condition, form compounds. That compounds contain carbon metal bond. The chlorides, bromides, iodide usually react with metal form compound in which that compound contain carbon metal bond. Such compounds are called organometallic compound. What do you mean by organometallic compound? Compound contain carbon metal bond is called organometallic compound. For example, methyl bromide when react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether, we are getting methyl magnesium bromide. This compound is also known as Grignard reagent. This compound is called Grignard reagent, that is methyl magnesium bromide is otherwise called Grignard reagent because this compound was first discovered by Victor Grignard. From his name, the name called Grignard reagent. Generally, the Grignard reagent is represented by the symbol RMgX. This is the general formula for Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide. This Grignard reagent, if you see, for example, CH3MgBr, CH3, how can you write? CH3 MgBr. Bonding between magnesium and Br is purely ionic in nature, whereas the bond between carbon and magnesium is highly polar. It's highly polar. Why it is polar means because when we compare with the magnesium, the carbon is more electronegative, so it attracts the shared pair of electron towards itself. Because of that, the bond CMg become polar in nature. Grignard reagent is highly reactive one. It reacts with any source of proton. For example, it reacts with acid, water, etc. Form the corresponding hydrocarbons. For example, Grignard reagent when react with water, water means it is an important proton source. Water form corresponding alkane. RH means alkane, and we are getting a complex of magnesium MgOHX. Thus, Grignard reagents are highly reactive with water. Therefore, wherever we are using Grignard reagent, there must be no moisture. So, Grignard reagent should be used in dry place. There should be no moisture. When alkyl halide react with sodium, two molecules of sodium react. How many molecules of sodium react? Two molecules of sodium react. Similarly, two molecules of alkyl halide also react. So, when alkyl halide react with sodium, two molecules of sodium react with two molecules of alkyl halide in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, this X, this 2Na and this X, this much will be coming out as 2NaX. They will coming out as sodium halide. What are the remaining thing? We are getting RR. That means, for example, when CH3Cl react with 2Na, one more CH3Cl, how the reaction takes place? This Cl take this Na and this Cl. We are in the presence of dry ether, we are getting 2NaCl plus CH3. That means alkyl halide are converted into alkanes having double the number of carbon atom. But how will you convert alkyl halide into hydrocarbon? If the question is asked like this, we can select this reaction. Or how will you convert alkyl halide into hydrocarbon having double the number of carbon atom? For example, here just to see this alkyl halide having only one carbon atom, but the product having two carbon atom. How will you convert methyl chloride, methyl bromide to ethane? All these we can select this reaction. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. W-U-R-T-Z, Wurtz reaction. But what is Wurtz reaction? When alkyl halide react with sodium in the presence of dry ether, we are getting hydrocarbon having double the number of carbon atom. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. The same reaction takes place in the case of aromatic halide also. For example, when it is treated with chlorobenzene, when chlorobenzene is treated with sodium, here also two molecules of sodium we have to take. So two molecules of chlorobenzene is reacting. How the reaction? Same reaction. This 2Na take this 2Cl and convert into 2NaCl, and we are getting biphenyl as product. What about the product? We are getting biphenyl. This reaction is called Fittig reaction. F-I-T-T-I-G, Fittig reaction. So we studied about Wurtz reaction and Fittig reaction. What do you mean by Wurtz reaction? Alkyl halide react with sodium, we are getting hydrocarbon. Fittig reaction means aromatic halide react with sodium, we are getting biphenyl as the product. In Wurtz reaction we are taking alkyl halide. So in Fittig reaction we are taking aryl halide. We are taking aryl halide. Suppose we are taking alkyl halide and aryl halide and made it to react with sodium, the same reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether. So when an alkyl halide react with aromatic halide in the presence of sodium and dry ether, the same reaction, this X takes this Cl. So what about the product we are getting? We are getting alkyl benzene. We are getting alkyl benzene as the product. This reaction is called Wurtz Fittig reaction. This reaction is called Wurtz Fittig reaction. So we studied about Wurtz reaction, Fittig reaction as well as Wurtz Fittig reaction. That's all about the reaction of alkyl halide with metals.